Hello everyone, I'm Alex and today I'm going to show how to get the user access of the retired machine lightweight. First of all, in order to do this task, we need to create a VPN connection with the Hack the Box site. So as usual, download the connection pack or use your existing connection pack which we used for the previous machine by accessing this access menu, and thereafter you get a file with the name of your username. So open a terminal and run the file as openvpn space and the name of the file. So there will be a series of commands that will be running, and finally when the command initialization sequence completed displayed, it means the VPN connection has been established. So after the connection has been established, we can see that the lightweight site shows us the IP address of the machine that we need to exploit. So it's 1010 and 119. So I did a nmap scan, and the nmap scan showed us that there are 3 ports that are open within this machine, which is the port 22 for the SSH service, port 80 for the HTTP service, and port 389 for the LDAP service. So according to my curiosity, let's go to port 80, which is the HTTP service. So you press 10, 10 and 119 and press enter. We get to the site and it says the site is protected by against brute forging. Let's go to the information and read it. Okay, we get some information about the site, and let's go to user, and it tells us the server gets connected within an SSH connection, and we've been given the username and the password as this IP address. So let's head on to a new terminal, and let's connect a SSH connection with the server. SSH space 10 10 10 12.96 at 10 10 10 10 119. Okay, we've got the error here. Okay. Wait for the connection to be established. Okay, we've asked the password, so put the password as the same IP address. Okay, we've logged into the machine. So let's see what's there. We've got a couple of hidden files. Let's change the directory to home. Okay, we can see that there are several users that have been logged into this machine, and this is us here with our IP address 10 10 12 96. So according to this thing, according to the nmap scan, we've got a clue that port 389 is open as an LDAP service port. So let's see if we can get a clue of what the DC means. So let's open a new terminal and run the command LDAP search space minus x space minus h and the IP address of the machine space minus b, the port minus s, base naming contacts, and press enter. Okay, we've got a clue that the DC is lightweight and HTB. So we'll close down the terminal and run the new ldap command in the opened session. And press enter and wait for the command to be executed. Okay, we've got a couple of entries about each user, which is who are inside this, and we've got, as you could see earlier, we've got two users named as ldap user 1 and ldap user 2, which is really important to us as we are about to connect using the ldap port. So we are being shown hash values of the passwords of the two users. So in order to extract the passwords, we need something to sniff the network, sniff the packages that are being carried along the network. Because when we click the status menu option in the website, we get a status.php file. So according to my suspicion, the status.php file might reveal us the password that we need to log into the ldap user 2. So let's check whether we get any network sniffers within the machine. For that, you must type this password getcap space -r /2 /dev /null. And as you can see, we've got a TCP dump tracker over here. So because of that, we can type this password TCP dump space -i any -n space -w -a and the port 389 pipe grep ldap user. And after entering this, it says that it's listening to any port over here. So let's click on to the status link and wait for the connection to be stabilized. It takes time for the data to be loaded to this area. So what I did was I extracted the password earlier that is required for us to gain access to the ldap user 2. So we'll stop this from here, and this is the password that we require to log in to use ldap user 2. So in order to log in as ldap user 2, use the command su ldap user 2, and we've required the password. You copy the password, paste it and press enter. Okay, now we are here as ldap user 2. Let's see what's there. Okay, we've got the list of names of the users that are there. So we'll head on to the folder of ldap user 2 ls -al. Just see if we get our eyes onto a text file. Yes, we've got the file known as user.txt. So let's open it up. Cat space user.txt. Okay, here's the key, that the hash key that is required for us to submit to the hack the box site as the user login. So copy it down, no problem. We make some space and paste it here. Name it as user hash. And keep it and upload it to the option given here. And that's how you get the user access of the retired machine lightweight. Thank you.